Is Bitdefender pathing failed due to the Bdcommon library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Bdcommon library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Bdcommon library, the Bitdefender Common library. It houses the unmanaged core security routines and facilitates the data link between various Bitdefender modules, and the primary threat engine manifests for synchronized malware detection. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files such as Bdcommon library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Bdcommon library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Bdcommon library DLL. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing Bdcommon library. To keep Bdcommon library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.